wanted to share a quick and easy yet delicious recipe that I cook sometimes when I'm not dieting. It is home-style breakfast potatoes. I'm going to start with 4 large potatoes, an onion, and a green bell pepper. No salt, that was quite an accident. I actually used Lawry's seasoning salt, black pepper, and a little bit of butter. Actually, the whole stick of butter. And some type of strainer to rinse everything off when you're done. So I'm going to start by cutting up the onion. I'm just going to slice the onion down the middle. I love onions, so I usually use almost a half an onion. It gives it a lot of flavor, so it's really good. So I'm not a chef, but I'm just going to cut it the way I like it, slice it up, and then cut it into little pieces. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my green bell pepper, I'm going to go ahead, clean it up, cut it down the middle, cut it into cubes. Now you can cut the veggies any way that you like them, this is just the way that I prefer them, but do it any way that you prefer. So now I'm just going to add my green peppers and my onions to the colander so that I can wash everything when I'm finished cutting. Looks nice and green. Alright guys, so now I'm going to just peel my potatoes. I did not have my potato peeler here, so this looks like extreme manual labor, but I'm going to cut about 4 large potatoes. It will feed about 3 adults. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and slice my potato, and then after I slice it, I'm going to cube it. Again, I'm not a chef, this is just the way I do it, and I'm a little sloppy with my slicing sometimes, but this is the way I like it. Alright, so now that I have everything cut up, looking nice and delicious, I'm going to go ahead and rinse everything off very thoroughly. Alright, so I put an entire stick of butter in my skillet on medium heat. I'm going to let it melt down almost entirely, and then I'm going to go ahead, move it around a little bit so it's like nice and even around the skillet, and I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my ingredients. Alright guys, I'm going to add some black pepper right on top, and not salt. That was, again, an accident. I'm going to add black pepper and my favorite salt in the world, Lawry's seasoning salt, guys. Not salt. I can't stress that enough. Alright guys, keep in mind that you want to add the Lawry's seasoning salt to your taste. If you don't like that much salt, add a little less. It gives it a delicious flavor, but again, don't add too much. This day I went a little light. I'm going to put the top on here. This usually takes around not longer than 10-15 minutes, and I like to check it every 2 minutes to make sure nothing's burning or the potatoes aren't sticking to the bottom of the skillet. Alright, so it's time to take a peek, see what's going on. Everything looks like it's cooking very evenly. I'm going to stir everything around again because you don't want anything sticking to the bottom of the skillet or burning. So I'm going to stir this up a couple of times, put the top back on, and check it again in a few more minutes. Alright guys, so we're about halfway done with the potatoes. Again, they're looking good. Never mind my spinach and eggs on the side there. You know you gotta multitask when you're cooking breakfast. So again, I'm just making sure everything is cooking evenly, nothing sticking, so we can have stick-free potatoes. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but I'm nice and hungry and ready to eat. Everything's done. I'm just going over it one more time to make sure all of them are evenly cooked. And I'm going to start serving my family. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like my video. And I'm also sorry that the plate is out of view. This is my first time doing a cooking tutorial on YouTube, and it's hard to get all the angles right the first time around. But anyway, guys, until the next time, and don't mind those biscuits. I was too busy trying to get the camera angle right to check on the biscuits. Have a good one, guys. Till next time.